How we doing, guys? Got another upgrade here on the F3. So when we got the bike, it came with the factory seat, and like most of the machines, the seats aren't the most comfortable. A lot of people end up going with Mustang seats and different options. I do have a Mustang seat on my Vulcan, which is much better. This comes from the factory with a two-piece seat. We opted to go with a one-piece seat from Ultimate. Okay, so we did put the Ultimate seat on there. We also got the backrest, which just pulls right out of here. Okay, so you can go with or without. Sometimes if you have a passenger on the back, it might be a little bit more comfortable without it, just to give them a little more leg room. But basically, you take off the factory seat. There are two screws underneath, which I've showed on a previous video, that you need to remove to pull the seat off. The back piece comes off, and then this piece will just go right on. So you can see it's just a one-piece seat. Okay, and all you have to do is take this off the old seat, the back seat, and then switch it over to the new one. They do tell you to adjust the length to a certain length. They said, like, I think it was like an inch, but when I did it, it wasn't quite long enough, so I had to extend it a little bit. So you might have to play around with the length a little bit to get it to sit properly. But we've got this installed now. Just locks in like that. Get your backrest, and much more comfortable. So what I noticed on the stock seat, when I was riding, it felt very hard in the middle here, on the back seat also, and it wasn't that comfortable. So this is seems to be a lot more comfortable now. We're still breaking it in. They tell you to ride it for like 1,000 miles so it can kind of conform to your butt and break in a little more comfortably. So we did go with the Ultimate seat. We do like it. Been putting some miles on it, and we're going to go out for another ride today, put some more miles on it. But a lot of the factory seats, like I say, aren't the best, and most people are going with like either the Mustangs or the Ultimates, or there's different brands out there. So that's what we did. So that's this upgrade here. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these for your ride, to give you a little bit more comfort. So I think the bike's coming along good. We got a lot of accessories going on. Got a few more things that we're doing. So it's Memorial Day weekend. It's sunny, 70s, beautiful out. We're going to get on the bikes today, do a little bit of riding, and enjoy the weather. All right, guys, if you liked the video, give a thumbs up, give a like, give a share, and I'll catch you on the next one.